My name is Jens Kruse Mikkelsen and I'm a Burr Scholar of 1993, that is the law school class of 94. I have just been appointed to the Danish Supreme Court after 4.5 years on the Court of Appeal, and previous to that I was 18 years in the Danish Ministry of Justice. I think everyone has to answer yes to that question. It is an incredible experience at a young age to come to a foreign country and not only meet the enormously gifted teachers at Harvard, but also the talented fellow students who you learn as much from as you learn from the professors at the law school. So it certainly broadened my mind and brought me into sort of the international legal circles. Well, Frank, without the generous gift of your parents and your initiative, it wouldn't have been possible for me to go to America. At that time, it was still not that common for students in Denmark to go abroad, and there are not that many funds available, and this generous grant made it at all possible for me to go to Boston, and I'm forever grateful for that.